Hello, today I'm gonna make for you brown stewed chicken. Okay, brown stewed chicken is different from fricassee chicken. Fricassee chicken is when you cut it fine. Brown stew is when you alright, brown stewed chicken can be done two ways, three ways actually. One, you can just season the chicken, put the browning in, everything, put the water in the pot and just stew that down for 35 minutes. That's brown stew. The second method is brown stew fried chicken. This is where you season the chicken and then you fry it on each side for about until it's cooked, and then you throw water on it with the season, with the browning, and stew it down. And you can do brown stewed floured fried chicken. Flour it, fry it up, and then stew it down for like 15 minutes with water. So today I'm gonna do 2-in-1. I'm gonna season the 2-in-1, but it's gonna be 2 videos. So today I'm gonna do brown stewed fried chicken and brown stewed chicken. So this was chicken. So what we're gonna need. So you need 1 pound to 2 pounds of chicken, bone with bones. 1 medium-sized onion, 1 large medium-sized onion, a tablespoon of dried parsley, a tablespoon of dried basil. Alright, I'm doing natural cooking, so I'm using natural herbs. This is optional, you don't have to use these. You're going to need a small tomato or 2, a scotch bonnet pepper cut, pimento berries, a teaspoon, 1/4 cup of oil, cooking oil, coconut oil preferably, a tablespoon of sea salt, and 3 or 4 garlic cloves. 1, 2, 3, 4 cloves. Springtime, this is optional, you can use like a couple grate of nutmeg, and you can put in it chocha, like a half of a chocha diced, or a 1/4 piece, and a piece of carrot diced. Half of a carrot is diced. But before I get the browning, you're going to need like a teaspoon of browning. Teaspoon to a tablespoon depending on how many chicken. If you're cooking more than 2.5 pound chicken, use a tablespoon. Alright, browning now. Don't put the browning on the chicken. Now for this one, now today we're gonna do the brown stew fried chicken. So with brown stew straight, then you can put the browning on the chicken. But usually I don't. You see my method. Alright, so I have 2 bags. At some point the video is gonna stop and branch off, and then it's gonna have its own video, but I'm gonna season both of them in one. So strip your garlic, so I put 4 in this one and 4 in this one. So smash your garlic, smash it fine. Smash them all. Right. The scallion. Just gonna strip these off. Dice them into this. Rinse them off and dice them. Onion, the outer layer, the last outer layer of the onion is the strongest, so just peel off just this and slice it. Thyme, piece of thyme and about piece of thyme in that one. Scotch bonnet pepper, half, cut it half over there, and half over here. Clean up. Now that we clean some of that mess. Pimento berries, teaspoon. Put a teaspoon in your dish. Teaspoon over here. Add herbs. I'm not going to add the herbs. I like to add the herbs when you're stewing. So when you're stewing, only for the straight, like the straight brown stew, you can add the herbs to that one. So this is straight brown stew, add the herbs. Alright, your tomato, just dice it. I know I can't add the tomato near to the end, but I want it to flavor. I want it to add to the seasoning. Alright. Your nutmeg. Forget to tell you to a tablespoon of white vinegar for each. Tablespoon. Add the salt. And for the browning, straight browning, a teaspoon of browning. That's just about a teaspoon. Alright, this is our chicken. Alright. Peel off the skin. We're not going to use the skin, but we're going to use the skin and the oil just to build the oil a little. So put one over here and one over there. White vinegar, water. And just rinse this off. Alright, once you do that, spare off the fat. Let's put with these stew chicken too, you're not gonna dice them. You just cut it like the chicken breast. You cut it one time. The chicken thigh, you don't cut it. The leg, don't cut it. Wing, don't cut it. Alright, so this one is gonna be for the brown stewed fried chicken. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for tomorrow. Tomorrow you're gonna see this one. No, tomorrow you're gonna see this one, the brown one. So I just gonna. So this is gonna be for the brown stewed fried chicken. No, this is gonna be for the brown stewed straight chicken. So tomorrow you're gonna see this one, and this one is the brown stewed fried chicken. Alright. So this is going in the refrigerator right now. Alright. Alright, put to eat a frying pot for stewing. Put the stove gauge on 6, medium high for now. If the pot is dry, you just add oil. It's wet a little, so I'm gonna let it dry. we're going to do method 1, which is brown stewed fried chicken. So this is our chicken pot. This is our chicken parts marinating. So once that's dry, add oil. So once it's dried, add oil. You can add a quarter cup of oil or less. If when we're ready to stew it, it's too much oil, you can always remove some. So that's it. Just allow that to get hot for about a minute or two with the stove gauge on 6 medium high. You can feel if it's hot, or take a piece of garlic and put in it. You know, I forgot to put in, I love to use ginger. I burn it in the oil. Just remember. Oh, add a piece of ginger. The piece of ginger is optional. You can skim now just to build the oil. You don't have to do what this. While you wait for this oil to build, we're going to take the seasoning of the chicken. We're going to start with this. Allow that to fry until it's browned on one side, about 3 to 4 minutes. I'll time it a little bit. After a minute, it's done. You can take this out anytime now, make it warm there. About 2 minutes. After 2 to 3 more minutes, you just want to fry it. And I'm very excited. Some of the pieces fry before someone can take it out. In about a minute or two, you're going to remove some of this oil. This is a container we put browning into the mixed paprika. So that's 2 cups of water. Add the browning, a teaspoon. After a minute or two, you burn the onions a little. Do that for additional flavor. Now would be a good time to add the herbs. Dried basil, dried parsley, immediately it's over. Put the stove gauge on 4, which is like medium. Medium, a little bit above medium. And just allow this to simmer for 35 minutes. 30 to 35 minutes. If I didn't say, that was 2 cups of water. If you're cooking more, you can use 2 to 2.5 cups of water. Okay, it's been 12 minutes. By all means, keep the pot closed. It's been closed all this time with the stove gauge on 4, medium, nearly low. So that's what it looks like. I just open it just to show you, but keep it closed till the time. 15 minutes nearly gone, is gone. So I'm waiting for another 10 to 15 minutes. 20 minutes and you can look at it now and flip them. So just cover it properly. Although I said it was going to take 35 minutes, we fried it up for 15 minutes, so the stew is going to take 20 minutes. So 15 minutes, what you just saw was 15 minutes. And tomorrow now, when you check out the other video, that's going to be straight brown stew. Chicken. Again, the difference between fricassee and brown stew is that fricassee is cut in fine chunks and brown stew is not. You use the chicken parts like the leg, the wing, the thigh, and you might cut the breast in half. Now it's 20 minutes. We're going to add the ketchup, like a 1/4 cup of ketchup or less. 1/4 cup is not that much, you know. Stir the same. You can remove the pepper if you want. Just one piece of pepper. So you just cover this and just let it stew down for another 2 minutes. You know, you can turn it up a little if you want to get the gravy to stick. Once the gravy starts sticking to the bottom of the pot, that's when it's ready. Believe it or not, all the methods are different and they taste different as well. So this one is brown stewed fried chicken. Alright, so this took about 20-23 minutes to stew down. And we fried it up. So that's what it looks like, bubbling. Gravy almost sticking. That's it. And turn it off. Cover it until you're ready to serve. And then you can add it up again. This is my rice and peas I'm gonna eat it with. The reason why I'm showing you this because it's just a quick thing. It's just in the week I cook this rice and peas because I feel for it. But I didn't feel like breaking in a coconut, and I bought a pack of coconut powder mix and put it in there. Trust me, it didn't give it any taste whatsoever. So every time I try to give those little pack a little try or whatever, they always let me have to go back to natural. Because I mean, it's gonna eat and eat nice, but it's not gonna taste like a real thing. See, I like when it's thick. See, it starts to stick. It's nice gravy when it starts sticking. Nice juicy gravy. Need more light in there. See that gravy? Nice and juicy. Well, time to share. This is really real brown stew chicken. Brown stewed fried chicken. Some string beans. Brown stewed fried chicken. It looks delicious, don't it? I'm about to murder this food right now. I'm so hungry. Alright, taste time. You don't have to ask if this will taste good. Rice and peas not bad at all. This rice and peas are made with a pack, coconut pack. Chicken fried. This is fried and then stewed on. This is brown stewed fried chicken. See, when I label it, when I title it correctly, then I can put it in categories. like in the week Sunday dinner. Anyway, see ya. See ya. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but I want you to see the texture of the chicken. Because it's fried and stewed, it's like a mixture of fried and stewed texture. It's like it's fried but stewed. Tomorrow when I do the brown stew straight, the meat is gonna be much softer, more like I don't want to use the word boiled chicken, but something like that, but flavored. So just to say, so this method is the brown stewed fried chicken. Now because I say fried chicken, you're looking for this crisp fried chicken look. No, that's just the name of it.